Hey everybody, welcome aboard your cruise. Ready for some fun? Cruising isn't just lounging by the pool and eating at buffets. The latest ships are packed with mind-blowing activities. From high-tech entertainment to thrilling outdoor experiences, there's something for everyone. So buckle up, we're diving into the coolest activities on the high seas. First up, we're talking about skydiving. But hold on, you don't even need a parachute. Royal Caribbean's Quantum-class ships have the Ripcord by iFly. It's a skydiving simulator that lets you feel the rush of freefall. Imagine, ocean views, wind rushing past, you're a flying superhero. The best part? It's for everyone, seasoned skydiver or not. Alright, so maybe skydiving isn't your thing. How about catching some waves? I'm talking about surfing right there on the deck. Royal Caribbean does it again with the Flow Rider, a 40-foot-long surf simulator. And if wiping out isn't your idea of fun, no worries. Scale the rock climbing walls for a breathtaking view from the top. Let's talk about something everyone loves: water slides. Carnival Cruise Line's ships are famous for their insane water parks. Twisting tube slides, heart-stopping drop slides, a water wonderland. Norwegian Cruise Line isn't messing around either. Multi-story water slides, including the Freefall, the fastest water slide at sea. I'm already getting soaked just thinking about it. Okay, so maybe you need a break from all the adrenaline. How about a Broadway caliber show? The latest cruise ships have theaters that'll blow your mind. Royal Caribbean's Oasis-class ships have the Aqua Theater, with incredible aerial acrobatics and synchronized swimming. It's like Cirque du Soleil on water. For a truly immersive experience, check out MSC Cruises' LED Dome, a 360-degree visual spectacle that'll transport you to another world. Calling all gamers, cruise lines are stepping up their game with virtual reality and cutting-edge gaming zones. Carnival's Bolt roller coaster lets you control the speed. Talk about being in the driver's seat. Norwegian's Galaxy Pavilion is a gamer's paradise with VR experiences. It's like stepping into your favorite video game. Alright, time to put your thinking caps on. Escape rooms have taken the world by storm, and now they're on the high seas. Cruise lines like Royal Caribbean and Norwegian offer themed escape rooms where you solve puzzles against the clock. It's the perfect way to test your teamwork and have some laughs. Plus, bragging rights if you escape. Chapter 7. Relax and recharge. All this excitement can be exhausting. Time to unwind at the amazing spas on board. World-class treatments, from massages to facials, will leave you refreshed. Celebrity Cruises' Edge-class ships have a sea thermal suite with therapeutic experiences. Imagine yourself in a luxurious spa surrounded by the ocean. Pure bliss. Foodies rejoice. Let's talk food. Forget old-school cruise buffets. Today's ships serve gourmet dining that'll tantalize your taste buds. Celebrity chef-led restaurants, international cuisines, cooking classes, even wine tasting events. Every meal is a culinary adventure. From Italian to Asian to French, there's something for every palate. Sometimes you just need a break from the kids, right? Many cruise ships have adults-only retreats and relaxation zones. Carnival's Serenity Retreat and Celebrity's Solarium offer plush loungers, hot tubs, and poolside service. It's the perfect place to unwind, recharge, and enjoy peace and quiet. Now parents, I haven't forgotten you. Cruise lines offer incredible kids and teens clubs with age-appropriate activities. Disney Cruise Line excels with character interactions, themed parties, and magical activities. Your kids will beg to go back. Get ready for show-stopping entertainment. Interactive shows and parades highlight any cruise, like DreamWorks-themed parades on Royal Caribbean or Disney character meet-and-greets. Perfect for families, engaging all ages and creating lasting memories. It's like being in your favorite movie or TV show. So there you have it, folks. The latest cruise ships redefine sea travel, offering activities and experiences for all ages and interests. From thrilling adventures to luxurious relaxation, there's something for everyone. With eSIM technology from GigSky, stay connected and share your journey, making your cruise unforgettable. Get ready for jaw-dropping fun and embark on an adventure of a lifetime on the high seas.